Hello my dear students, let us solve some more problems on the manhole. So I got this problem. Okay, let us try to solve this. So this is the plan of the manhole. Okay, so inner dimension is 1800 into 900 mm. Okay, so this is the open channel, 150 mm diameter, 400 mm wall. So it's the branch pipe, 15 centimeter dia. Okay, then what they have given? So this is 1000 up to the depth, 200 mm wall, then 500 mm depth plus 1000 plus 300, so 2800 is the total depth for excavation. Okay, then there are cast iron steps, 1 2 3 4 5 cast iron steps here. There bed concrete is there. BBLC means burnt brick lime concrete. Okay, 155. Okay, this is 200 is the bearing. RCC slab is 150 thick, 150 thick. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, either you take a screenshot or you collect the file so that during the problem it would be easy for you. Okay, now let us solve the problem. So rectangular type manhole, so earthwork is there here up to first item is the earthwork up to 1.5 meter depth. So depth is varying. Why? Because up to 1.5 meter the rate is different for the excavation, and above 1.5 meter the rate is different. So the problem is solved using two criteria here, up to 1.5 meter and beyond 1.5 to 3 meter. Okay, based on the local rates it has been done. So up to 1.5 meter, so earthwork excavation up to 1.5 meters. So see here, up to 1.5 meter, what we can see, 1000 plus 500. Okay, what we can see here, come to the plan. So 1800, fine, 1.8 plus 2.4 plus zero point 0.4. How much it is? Wall thickness plus offset 2 into zero point 0.2. So this is extra offset. Okay. So how much is the length? 3. So length is 3. Breadth is 900 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.2, which is zero point 0.2 is offset. Okay. 2.1. So breadth is 2.1. So depth is up to it is 1.5. So 1.5. So total quantity is 9.45. So now beyond 1.5 meters to 3 meter. Okay. So beyond 1.5 meter to 3 meter. Okay. What we have, 1000 plus 300 we have. Okay. So the length will be same 3. Breadth will be same 2.1. Depth here will be 1000 plus 300 1.3. So 8.19 is the cubic meter for earthwork in excavation. Now we'll come to the bed concrete, burnt brick lime concrete. So quantity is 1. So length will be same 3. Breadth will be same as the excavation 2.1, and height or depth will be zero point 0.3, 300 mm. Here you have seen here they are given 300 mm, so 0.3. So multiply it, we'll get 1.989 cubic meter. After the bed concrete, what is there? Directly they have benching has to be provided, but they are not provided here. Fine, as the diagram we will go. Then first class brickwork, burnt brick masonry in concrete mortar ratio 1 is to 6. So there are 3 course, first course, second course, third course. Okay, first course is about 1000 meter, 1000, sorry, 1 meter. This is zero point 0.5, this is 1000 again. Okay, So here the author has written by using center line method. Okay, so first one, center to center of long wall. What is this? See the plan here, 1.8. So 1.8 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4 or 0.4 by 2 plus zero point 0.4 by 2. Correct? What we want? Center to center distance of this long wall. So 1.8 plus zero point 0.4 by 2 plus zero point 0.4 by 2, that is 2.2 meter. Next L2, that is the short direction. So 0.9, here you see 0.9 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4, we will get 1.3 meter. So total length, what will happen? 2 into L1 plus 2 into L2. Here is the formula. So 2 is equal to 2.2 plus 2 into 1.3, we will get 7. So 7 is the length. First course length is 7. What is the breadth of the wall? 0.4. What is the height or depth? 1. So total quantity is 2.80 cubic meters. Similarly, second course. So L1 is equal to 1.8 plus zero point 0.3 by 2. 0.3 by 2 we will get 2.1 meter. L2 0.9 plus zero point 0.2 by 2 plus zero point 3 by 2 plus zero point 3 by 2, that is 1.2. So total length how much it will become? L is equal to 2 into L1 plus 2 into L2. You will get 6.6. So 6.6. Breadth of the wall is 0.3. Depth is 0.5. We will get 0.99 cubic meters. Third course, same way. So see here, this is 0.9. Okay. 0.9 plus 0.2 by 2. 0.2 by 2, 1.1. Next L2, 0.9 plus 0.2 by 2, 0.2 by 2, 1.1. So 2 L1 plus L2 L2, 4.4 into 0.2 into 0.85. How is this? 1000 minus 0.08. Here the slab is reduced. Okay, slab thickness is reduced. Okay, so 1 minus 0.08, you will get 0.85 as the depth for the third course. So which will come 0.748 cubic meter. So this was the total of first course, second course and third course brick work. Now deduction we have to calculate. So along long wall. So along long wall we have two long walls. Okay. 1.2 length is 1.2 here. This is the length from here to here. It is 1.2. Then this slab is same as we did in the previous problem. Same 0.3 by 2. So the wall thickness is 0.3. Okay. And bearing is 0.15. So bearing is 0.15. So length. So it is the long wall. 1.8 minus 0.9. We will get 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.3. 1.2 meters. Now along the short walls. So along the short wall, that is 0.9 plus 0.3. Any one of the wall bearing of the wall. You will get 1.2 meters. So 1.2 meters into 0.3 into the bearing is 0.15. We will get the some value. Next short wall 2 into 0.9 into 0.3 we will get 0.15. Fine. Next 15 centimeter diameter pipe. So we have two pipes. See here. So pi into 0.15, pi d square by 4 value. What is the depth? 0.40. So the details are same as the previous problem. Okay. So 40.40. So these value they should have been given properly. Okay, no problem. So 0.202 for illustration purpose. It's okay. Okay. Now the net quantity is, what is the net quantity? So first course what we got the cubic meter, the total cubic meter. Second course cubic meter is the first course cubic meter. Next, third course cubic meter, this plus. So we have to add first two, three course we have to add, and we have to deduct 0.202 cubic meters. Then we will get 4.336 cubic meters. This was about the brickwork. Next, RCC work. So RCC slab bottom here bottom one. So we have one. So the distance is 1.2. You remember the previous problem, okay? 1.2. Okay, breadth is 1.5. So 0.15 is the bearing. So 0.27 is the quantity. So top slab portion, this is the top slab portion. So 1.30, 0 0.9 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.2 will get 1.3. 0.9 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 will get 1.3, and the breadth is also same 1.30. So depth is 0.15. So we're getting 0.25. So deduction for the manhole cover. So the dimension is given 0.5 into 0.5. So bearing 0.15. So you add A and B and minus deduction for the manhole, you will get the cubic meters, 0.482 cubic meters. And for flooring, see the inner diameter in dimension 1.8 into zero point 0.9. Okay, the 1.62 square meters. Cement concrete and flooring. Okay, cement plastering now inside the chamber. So see the chamber dimension 1.8 plus zero point 0.9, that is into 2, so 5.4. Okay, into 1.35, same as per previous. So total value is 7.29. So now next is inside of the entry of the manhole. So 3.61, 3.60, fine. Okay, inside of the entry of manhole. So 2 into 0.9 into 0.9. Okay, description is here. Entry point, the slab dimension is 0.9 into 0.9. This is the 0.9 into 0.9. We'll get 3.6 into 1. Then we get 3.60. Next, top of the slab. So 0.9 plus 2 into 0.2. This is the offset. 0.9 plus 2 into 0.2. We'll get 1.30. 1.30, that is 1.69. So deduct for manhole cover. So manhole cover dimension is this. So we'll get 12.33 square meters. Then steps is 5 meter, 5 numbers, CI steps. Then manhole cover is 1. Okay. Same, we have 7 items. So 7 items of work. So same what you wrote in the particular item, take that. The quantity, the net quantity which have been calculated under the that particular item of work. So local SR rate, its unit, multiply with the amount. Then for the total amount add 5%, 2% for work charge, and 3% for contingencies. Add 5% of the total for the to get the grand total rupees. Okay, this was about the manhole problem for rectangular one. Okay, we have another example for manhole, that is circular manhole. Okay, so the inner diameter is 2000 mm and outer is 2600 mm. So manhole cover is 600 dia and 1000 here. This is tapering section. Okay, 1000, 500, 500, 500. So CC bed is about 200, 300. So 150 dia pipe, 500 wall, 400 wall section. So here also burnt brick, lime concrete is used for the foundation bed. So take this problem as exercise for yourself, and it has also the answer. It is already solved, okay, for your reference. Study well, prepare well. I hope you understand. Thank you.